Hello, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, let's talk about this new token that is going to be launched in this Huobi Primelist event. So let's stay tuned. So if you guys really go into this Huobi website, this banner, you can find the Love, L-O-V-E, yeah, Love. So this Love, right, is going to be listed on the next Primelist event on Huobi. But I heard that a lot of you have a lot of confusion because the way of their doing it is a little bit different because the requirement is a little bit different. So today I will guide you guys throughout to ensure that everybody is not so confusing. Actually, it's not confusing. It's very straightforward. It's very simple. Okay, so let's get started. In order for you to join or to know it, you just need to go into the banner, go on the banner, click on it, and it will directly link you to this page. So you can see, right, Love token for sale. Get a chance to buy Love at 0.0005 USDT by register token sales. So you can see, right, the sales supply is 130 millions. Ticket value is 1 USDT. Total winning ticket is 65,000 winning tickets. So let's talk about the project. Deesse is a blockchain-enabled RPG and CPG card placement game with progress-based and skill-based feature. So it is a play-to-earn mechanism allowing players to earn tokens and NFT in the gameplay. So to make it simple, this is another GameFi token. If you want to know more about this Love or this Deesse, I will put down the link also. You guys can actually read about this Love, and I'll teach you guys how to join this event, because joining this event, right, is a little bit different compared to the previous Prime List event. We call it this as the Prime List 2.0. Okay, so this is the project timeline and so on and so forth. So let's get into how you want to join this event. If you're interested to buy Love, this is how you join this event. So you can see, right, just now that I mentioned, the prime list quota is 130 million. Price is at 0.005. Total ticket of activity is 65,000. Single ticket amount is $1. And buying method is draw ticket at random. Payment method is USDT. You, of course, first thing you need to do is you need to sign up. If you guys don't have a Huobi account yet, I'll put down the link and below so you guys can register. So after you sign up, you have two ways to do it. One is you lock petition to apply. Okay, this is a little bit too long. I will make it much simplified for you. It's very simple. You just need to lock. Either you lock your HT or you lock your USDT. There's two ways of locking. So 1 USDT equal to 1 lock. You get what I mean? So for example, if you have 100 USDT, you want to lock all your 100 USDT. So if you lock your 100 USDT in this event, then you will get 100 LOT lots. Okay, LOT in simple way is called the winning tickets. So you will have 100 winning tickets if you lock 100 USDT. But if you lock 1000 USDT, then you will get 1000 winning tickets, lots, LOTs, S lots. Okay? But if you lock 10,000, then you get 10,000 lots. So the more winning ticket you get, the more higher chance you get picked, because it's written there, it's random. The draw tickets are random. Maybe you just lock 100 USDT, then you get 100 lots, 100 winning tickets. So after the events calculated ends at 12th January, then maybe Huobi will pick, or maybe from your 100 win tickets, you only win 10. And you just now you mentioned, right, 1 USDT equal to 1 lots, 1 winning ticket. So let's say if they pick you out of 100, you only win 10, then you only have the chance to purchase Love with 10 USDT only. Very, very simple, very straightforward. Okay, I will go through with you later. So it's either you lock your HT or you lock your USDT. If you lock in HT, then HT will be counted based on how much the HT price today or the time. For example, right now HT costs about $9. So 1 HT you will get 9 lots, 9 winning tickets, because 1 USDT equal to 1 lot. So the next way of earning lots, you call it winning tickets, you can play spot trading. You can trade spot tradings. So you can see this rules are very simple. It's very straightforward also. Single day spot trading volume range. So if you trade around 100 to 500 volume range, you will get 10 winning tickets, which is the 10 lots. If you trade more than 500 to 1000, then you get 50 winning tickets to join the event. Of course, if you trade more and more and more, then you will get high chances of getting more winning tickets. So to conclude that, you can play both of them. You can play both options. For example, if I have 100 USDT locked in the event, so I will get 100 lots. But in the same time, I play spot trading. I trade around 100 to 500. Then I will get additional 10. So our equivalence, I will get 110 winning tickets. So throughout the journey, I only got 110s. Then after the event started to conclude, started to do the summary of who gonna win the tickets. So maybe from 110s, I only able to win maybe 10 or maybe 11 or maybe 12 or maybe 15 or maybe 20. Who don't know because it's random, right? So from your 110 winning tickets, you only win 20 or maybe 5 or maybe 10. For example, if you just win 10, then at the end of the day, you just need to pay 10 US dollar to buy up love. So one lot is equivalent to 2,000 love. So if you have been picked for winning 10 lots, which is 10 USDT, then you will get 2,000 multiplied by $10. So you in the end, you pay $10 for 20,000 love. Straightforward, man. So this is all the wordings, a little bit very long here and there. And okay, to be sure, let's get started because the registration already started right now. I will show it live on my phone because right, you can see you only can do it on the apps instead of doing on the website. So I will have my apps open. So let me do it right now to make you guys much clearer. So right now you can see I have the Huobi apps here. I just need to click on it and I need to look for the banner. Yes, these are love to be listed. So I just need to click on it and you can see it will pop out the register sales. So what I need to do is I need to click on the register sales and I need to sign in, of course. So I can now register sales either by I lock my HT or I lock my USDT. If I lock my HT, the minimum amount is 5 HT. If I lock USDT, it should be 50 USDT. So example, if I just want to lock 50 USDT, I just want to get 50 lots. So this is what I do it. I just input 50 and I will get hopefully 50 lots. Okay, so we see once I get it, it will show out later and I can put even more tickets. Increase your lot amount for more tickets, or you can even achieve a certain trading volumes daily to earn more ticket. So simple as that. If let's say if I click this bottom, then I can start trading. But let's say if I want to register more, then I can either increase your lot amount, I can increase more. So I think I can keep on increasing more if I want to. So you see, the one thing is you need to know, the amount entered will be locked and only released at 12th January. So lock the amount that you can afford to lock. Don't lock already, then say, oh, I cannot take out, I need to use the money and so on and so forth. Then too bad lah. You need to wait until the January 12th. Okay, so very simple as that. And yeah, I think it's straightforward. So if I lock 50 USDT, I will get 50 lots. So maybe out of 50, maybe I trade another maybe 500 volume trading, then I will get another 10 lots. So I will get 60 lots in the end. So from the 60 lots, hopefully I will get about maybe 6 winning tickets. Maybe Huobi will choose me 6. Then I will able to buy 6 slots for $6. So $6 multiplied by 2,000 love, I will get 12,000 love. Better than nothing, right? But of course, I can lock even more. For example, if I lock HT, I can lock 1 HT or 5, minimum 5, too bad. So maybe if I want to lock more, I just need more 50 US dollar. Then I can lock more. So we can see my holdings now is 100 USDT. Simple as that. So you can see, the max ticket is already released out. Can you see? It's already released out. So the lockup fund is 49. So I think if I refresh again, it should be 99 or maybe 100 already. So I'll have 100 tickets. Plus, I haven't traded yet. So the more I trade, the more lots I get. So hopefully I will get, I don't know, at least 10, at least 20. It's random anyway, right? So it's all based on luck. Yep. So I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.